Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make wall ticker in Bambu Studio. So look at the left side settings panel in Bambu Studio and let's go and click on quality. If you don't see those settings here, then first click on your model, then quality, and let's find strength tab. So let's find it. Strength, it's right here. And find the setting name wall loops. So first one right here. Now if you don't see all of these settings, make sure that you have this advanced mode switched on. And now what you can do is standard print usually use 2 to 3 wall loops. For extra strength you can change it to 4 or 5. Then what you need to do is just click on slice plate at the top right to update your model. You will need to wait a few moments, and this is basically pretty much it. Uh, and yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.